Hey guys, it's your girl, Tools Insight, back with another video. Today we're diving into 20 wild inventions that feel like time travel to the year 3000. Blink and you'll miss the self-folding laundry machine, contact lenses that predict your future, and roads that charge your car while you drive. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's get this future. First up, we've got something straight out of a sci-fi movie: smart contact lenses. These sleek, invisible lenses can monitor your blood sugar and display information right before your eyes. Imagine getting directions overlaid onto your vision, or checking notifications without your phone. The future is looking pretty high-tech. Next up, we're talking about self-healing concrete. This material has tiny capsules that release a healing agent when a crack forms. The agent reacts with the concrete, sealing the crack and preventing damage. Our buildings, bridges, and roads last longer, saving money and resources. Imagine less construction noise and fewer potholes. Let's talk about something essential for life: clean water. Introducing the solar-powered water purifier, a game-changer for communities without access to clean water sources. Picture this: a lightweight, portable device that uses sunlight to kill harmful bacteria and remove impurities from water. This invention has the potential to revolutionize healthcare and sanitation in developing countries, providing a sustainable and affordable solution to a critical global issue. Remember flip phones? Get ready for the future of mobile technology: foldable smartphones. These sleek devices can transform from a regular-sized phone into a mini tablet in the blink of an eye. Imagine watching your favorite Netflix show on a larger screen that still fits in your pocket. Foldable phones are perfect for multitasking, gaming, and everything in between. The technology is constantly evolving, with each new generation becoming slimmer, more durable, and more affordable. Next up, we're taking the term electric avenue to a whole new level with wireless charging roads. Imagine a world where you never have to stop to charge your electric car ever again. Using cutting-edge technology, these roads use electromagnetic fields to transfer energy directly to your car while you drive. No more range anxiety, no more searching for charging stations, just pure, uninterrupted driving bliss. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the automotive industry and accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles. We're talking about 3D printed organs. Scientists are now using 3D printing technology to create fully functional organs for transplantation. This groundbreaking technology has the potential to completely revolutionize healthcare, eliminating the need for organ donors and drastically reducing wait times for life-saving transplants. Imagine a world where no one has to suffer from organ failure because there's an unlimited supply of 3D printed organs available. We could potentially print organs that are a perfect match for the recipient, eliminating the risk of rejection. Siri and Alexa, move over. AI-powered personal assistants are taking over, and they're about to become your new best friend. Need to schedule an appointment, book a flight, or order a pizza? Your AI assistant can do it all with just a simple voice command. They can even learn your preferences and anticipate your needs, making your life easier and less stressful. Remember the magic mirror from Snow White? Well, get ready for the real deal: smart mirrors. These futuristic mirrors are more than just a pretty face. They can display information, play music, and even help you get ready in the morning. Imagine checking the weather forecast, catching up on the news, or even browsing social media while you're brushing your teeth. Smart mirrors can also provide you with personalized beauty tips, fitness tracking, and even virtual try-on experiences. With air pollution becoming a growing concern, it's more important than ever to protect ourselves from harmful pollutants. But what if we could carry our own personal air purifier with us wherever we go? Well, now we can, with wearable air purifiers. These innovative devices come in various forms, from necklaces to masks, to even small clips that attach to your clothing. They use advanced filtration technology to remove pollutants and allergens from the air you breathe, creating a personal bubble of clean air around you. Get ready for the future of delivery because it's coming in hot. Or should I say, flying high. Autonomous delivery drones are already being tested worldwide. Imagine ordering a pizza and having it delivered by a drone in minutes. Drones are faster and more efficient than traditional methods and can reach areas difficult for cars or trucks. This is crucial for disaster relief, delivering essential supplies to isolated areas. Say goodbye to boring office cubicles and hello to the future of work, virtual reality workspaces. With VR technology, you can now collaborate with colleagues from all over the world in a shared virtual environment, all from the comfort of your own home. Imagine attending meetings in a virtual conference room with stunning views of the ocean, or brainstorming ideas on a virtual whiteboard that stretches as far as the eye can see. Let's face it, plastic is everywhere. It's convenient, durable, and a major pollutant. But what if we could have our plastic and eat it too? Biodegradable plastics are here to save the day. Made from plants, they break down naturally. Less waste, less harm, healthier planet. Get ready to say goodbye to boring old clothes and hello to the future of fashion-smart fabrics. These high-tech textiles are embedded with sensors and microchips that can monitor your health, enhance your performance, and even change color on demand. From athletic wear to haute couture, smart fabrics are revolutionizing the fashion industry, making our clothes more functional, more stylish, and more sustainable. Remember those futuristic movies with flying cars? Well, the future is now. Electric flying cars are a reality. These vehicles combine car convenience with flight freedom, letting you soar above traffic and reach your destination fast. They could revolutionize transportation, making cities cleaner and less congested. Remember Iron Man's suit? Well, we're getting closer to real-life superhero suits with robotic exoskeletons. These wearable robotic devices provide superhuman strength and endurance, allowing individuals with mobility impairments to walk, climb stairs, and perform everyday tasks with ease. Robotic exoskeletons can also be used in industrial settings to reduce workplace injuries and increase productivity. Remember when home security meant a clunky alarm system and a dog named Fido? Well, those days are long gone. Get ready for the next level of home protection smart home security systems. These intelligent systems use a combination of sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence to keep your home safe and secure 24/7. Smart home security systems can also automate your home's lighting, temperature, and appliances, making it look like someone's home even when you're away. Remember Pokemon Go? That was just a taste of what augmented reality, or AR, can do. AR glasses overlay digital information onto the real world, changing how we interact with our surroundings. Imagine getting directions overlaid onto your vision, or restaurant recommendations popping up as you walk past. From gaming to healthcare to education, Arkansas glasses can revolutionize how we live, work, and play. Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to enter the future of transportation, the Hyperloop. This revolutionary system uses pods that travel at incredibly high speeds through near-vacuum tubes. Imagine traveling from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes. The Hyperloop could revolutionize long-distance travel, connecting cities in ways we never thought possible. Move over, Michelangelo. There's a new artist in town, artificial intelligence. AI-generated art is taking the art world by storm, with algorithms creating stunningly beautiful and thought-provoking pieces that rival those created by human artists. From paintings to sculptures to even music, AI is pushing the boundaries of creativity, exploring new forms of artistic expression, and challenging our perceptions of what art can be. AI-generated art raises fascinating questions about the nature of creativity and the role of the artist in the digital age. Get ready to meet the new Farmhands Smart Agriculture Drones. These high-tech drones are revolutionizing the way we grow food, making farming more efficient, more sustainable, and more productive than ever before. Imagine drones flying over vast fields, monitoring crop health, identifying pests and diseases, and even applying fertilizers and pesticides with pinpoint accuracy. From reducing water usage to minimizing pesticide use, smart agriculture drones are playing a crucial role in feeding a growing global population, while also protecting our planet. And there you have it, folks. 20 mind-blowing inventions that are changing the world as we speak. From self-healing concrete to flying cars, the future is looking brighter, bolder, and more technologically advanced than ever before. Don't forget to like this video, Subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know in the comments which invention blew your mind the most. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing adventures.